Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend uThobeka Majozi lesimati kakhulu ngabags lapha kuma social media platforms le kungima kwemntwana Casper Nyovest njengoba uyilapha ku-Instagram wayovakalisa kujabula kwakhe ngokuthi umntwana wakhe has now cancer free. We know ukuthi uke waku-announce uBex lapha ku-Instagram ngokuthi umntwana wakhe uyagula une-cancer ever since he was born. Uloku uyangena uyaphuma tibhedlela umntwana wakhe akekho right, solo uzama impilo, and simbona kwenta loko ayi-one and not uCasper Nyovest cause last year wakhipha ipost lesho ukuthi ngalesikhathi umntwana abo agula, ngalesikhathi yena loku aphansi phezulu azama kusave impilo yemntwana wakhe ku-cancer. uCasper Nyovest was cheating on her with his current wife. Bekamchithela uthi amchithela umntwana agula. Lokwenta abantu abaningi bamvela buhlungu ngendlela lesimanga futhi bamkwatela ngendlela lesimanga akuCasper Nyovest. Waze wakhipha statement naso naye uCasper Nyovest responding to what uThobeka Majozi said about him kupost yakhe, denying lento le Thobeka Majozi abekayisho olayishilo lapha kupost yakhe yokuthi uCasper Nyovest bekamchithela while she was pregnant. Phenza amchithela while umntwana wabo was fighting for his life esibhedlela. Abantu bambona nje ukuthi hayibo ufana lunjani lo, ave cruel weCasper, wena hambe uyojola while umuntu wakhe pregnant, uyojola while your son is fighting for his life esibhedlela, wena ubusy uyachitha. So siyaqoqa ukuthi uCasper Nyovest is not part of impilo yalo mntwana because ukhiphile naye statement. I think desiyasho ukuthi abamvumeli ukuthi asonzele eceleni nemntwana wakhe, akakhoni ngisho nokumbona umntwana wakhe. Ngibani lo ngavuma ubona umntwana bowuchitha pregnant, umuntu bowuchitha umntwana agula, ngibani la ngavuma ngokuthi umbone. Some people felt sorry for Casper Nyovest, but some felt ukuthi it's not fair because wonke mntwana uyadinga kuba an-abort parents regarding or regardless kokuthi kwendakaleni between the parents, mntwana njena funa athole ithando lebadali lababili. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.